Good morning, class. I am here with exciting news for you all. In next week, we have a spelling bee competition in our school.
Hey, yeah.
We are very excited about this competition, sir. I know, class, all you are very exciting. For your excitement, let we conduct a trial now for the competition. Are you ready, guys, for this trial competition?
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Okay, Sunio, let we start with you. Spell the word aeroplane. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane.
Wow, that's correct, Sunio.
Nobita, now are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Spell the word competition. COMPTION. Competition.
Oh, sorry, that's incorrect, Nobita. Better luck next time. Nobita does not even know the spelling of competition.
Hey, stop it, Gion. Now you spell the word competition. COMPETITION. Competition.
That's correct, Gion.
Hey, yeah.
Nobita, you does not even know the spelling of competition. Then how you gonna participate in competition? Leave me alone, Gion.
Don't worry, Nobita. Practice well after going to home.
Okay, sir. Definitely I will practice.
That's my student.
Hey, what happened, Nobita? Why are you so upset? In my school, we have a spelling bee competition in next week, Dad. Oh, okay. What's wrong with that, my son? Today my teacher conducted a trial for the competition, but I didn't spell the word competition. Many people are insulting me that you even don't know the spelling of competition. Then how you gonna participate in competition? Hey Nobita, that's not a big deal. Why are you worrying too much? But I want to win in this competition, Dad. Even I didn't spell it the word competition, then how I will win in this competition, Dad? Hey, that's not true, my son. Practice from now onwards, my dear son. Then definitely you will win in this competition. Really, Dad? Yes, my dear son. Practice makes man's perfect. Thanks for encouraging me, Dad. Definitely I will practice from now onwards.
From the next day onwards, Nobita started studying a lot of books. He learned the most difficult words first and he divided the words on the basis of their difficulty level. Nobita started getting better day by day and he practiced it until the day of competition and finally arrives the day of competition.
Hey Nobita, why are you looking so happy? Today we have a spelling bee competition in our school, Dad. Oh, okay, my dear son. All the best for your competition.
Thanks, Dad. Students, as you all know, today we have spelling bee competition in our school. So first, I will tell the rules. Totally, there are 2 rounds. In each round, there will be 2 questions. If you answer 2 questions correctly, then you will move to the next round. First, we will start with the Sunyo. Are you ready, Sunyo? Yes, sir. I am ready. Okay, Sunyo. Spell the word immediate. 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 Yeah, that's correct, Sunyo. Your next word is surface. 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 That's correct, Sunyo. Congratulations, you are moving to the next round. Hey, yeah. Nobita, are you ready? Yes, sir. Okay, Nobita, spell the word climate. 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 That's correct, Nobita. And your next word is impress. 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 Wow, that's correct. I am impressed, Nobita. Congrats, Nobita. You are also moving to next round. Thank you, sir. Jian, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Your first word is action.
ACTION. Action.
That's correct, Jian. Your next word is express.
EXPRESS. Express.
That's correct, Jian.
You are also moving to next round, Jian. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah.
Sunio, are you ready for the second round?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, Sunio, spell the word orange. 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 That's correct, Sunio. And next, spell the word champion. CHAPION. Champion. Oh, sorry, that's incorrect, Sunio. Jion, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, Jion, spell the word shoulder. 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 That's correct, Jion. And next, spell the word champion.
CHAMPION. Champion.
That's incorrect, Jion. Next, Nobita, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, Nobita, spell the word mountain. 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 Wow, that's correct, Nobita. If you spell the next word correct, then you will be the champion.
Okay, sir.
And next, spell the word champion. 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 Wow, congrats, Nobita. You are the champion.
Wow, thank you, sir.
Hey, Jion, do you know the moral of this story? Yes, practice makes perfect. Yeah, that's correct, Jion. If you like the video, then like, share, subscribe.